I'm so happy. I am so happy. Sengize ngafika ku-1K. Thank you bafethu for supporting my channel. Please keep on watching my videos, like, subscribe and comment so we can grow this community together. I've got more updates tonight. I've got updates on Neo Rapo, updates on Saleng, updates on Max Nzekeli. Yay. He's a 25-year left winger from Congo playing for Young African. So let's just jump straight into the video. So bafethu, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand podcast. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Please keep on subscribing. Please keep on liking my videos. Please keep on watching them and commenting down below. I have other updates today on a 19-year-old from SuperSport United, Neo Rapo. So apparently, Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates are in the race to sign Neo Rapo, the 19 years old left back from SuperSport. I don't know him, so let's see what's happened. So and this news I have for you right now, they are not from trusted sources, so they are just rumors for now. So I will tell you if when the news are from my trusted sources, sources like Lawrence and Austin Ditlobolo also and Mickey June. So these ones are just rumors. Neo Rapo is a 19 years old left back playing in Super Sports. It's reported that Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates, they are interested in the player. Another player that we have to talk about is Saleng. Monapula Saleng it looks like he's not going to play at Orlando Pirates again. The news, rumors that are circulating around the internet is that Saleng is in the verge of joining another club, and Kaizer Chiefs is one of the clubs that are being mentioned when Saleng is mentioned. Also, these news are not from trusted sources. They are just rumors around the internet. I'm just updating you guys. So Saleng might come to Kaizer Chiefs according to the rumors around the internet. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens if Jay Molife or someone trusted will give us a proper news on Saleng. What is happening, his situation Orlando Pirates, because he still has a 1 year left. Is it? I don't know if it's 1 year left or is that's is uh, the year that they will extend Orlando Pirates. I'm not sure, but Saleng is one player to watch in this transfer window. So let's see what happens in the next coming days. Another guy that we have linked with, guys, be careful on the social media, especially on Facebook. We are linked with everyone that is free or anyone nje. If sivuka namhlanje, I feel like linking Marcelo Allende to Kaizer Chiefs, I will do so. So guys, be careful of fake news on Facebook. As I'm telling you these news I'm telling you right now, they are not from the trusted sources that we all trust in breaking transfer news. The sources like Lawrence, Austin Ditlobolo, Jay Molife and also Mickey June. They are just news rumors that are surrounding the internet. The only signing that has been confirmed by the trusted sources is the signing of Thabiso Monyane and also Paseka Mau. Those are the only signings that have been confirmed by the trusted sources. These are just rumors. So this guy is a left winger from Congo. He's 25. He plays at Young Africans. So his name is Maxi Nzekeli. So according to the source that I saw, it says that Maxi Nzengeli was, I don't know if it was a call or it was a WhatsApp voice note. He confirmed that he wants to leave Young African, and he also confirmed that he will be playing for in South Africa, yeah, for a team in South Africa. So let's see what happens. Maybe it's Kaizer Chiefs, maybe it's another team. The team is not mentioned. So yeah, he's linked with us. Also, I am telling you this, guys, please be careful of fake news. This news I'm giving you right now, they are not coming from trusted sources. So this Maxi guy, 25 years old winger from Congo, I don't know him. I'll try to put his photo here, or maybe in the thumbnail I'll put his photo so you can see him, or maybe you can Google him. Umbon. Another news I posted about them yesterday. Percy Tau was doing his interview lapha ku Robert Marawa. So it looks like he still wants to play, as he was saying lapha na ku interview wakhe. He would accept offer around 400,000 if Kaizer Chiefs can come for him. So I saw your comments, guys, saying that Kaizer Chiefs must sign him. I agree with you. If they want to sign him, they must do it now, or else other clubs will come, because he also mentioned Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates, even Stellenbosch. So any club that can afford his salary, they can come in and just take him. I know he's old, but let's see what happens, because we need the squad depth for the next season, because we have many competitions to play. So let's see what happens with Percy Tau's situation in the next coming days. We will be monitoring his situation and waiting for trusted sources to give us some news. So guys, these news I'm telling you right now, they are not 100% accurate. They are not from our trusted sources. So let's see what happens on Neo Rapo, a 19-year-old left winger, Saleng Max Nzengeli, a 25-year-old left winger from Congo. I'm not promising you anything until I get 100% accurate news. Thank you for watching the video. Tell me what you think of the situation of Percy Tau, and also the situation of Monapule Saleng coming to Kaizer Chiefs, because there are two players that can change our whole team and give them that morale, that winning mentality for the next season, because we need it. So please drop your comments down below. Like the video. Please continue to subscribe to the channel. I love you so much. Thank you.